Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hi, Linda Gamble. How are you? Hello, Lucia. How are you? Brittany, how you doing? Hi, Lori. How you doing today? Hey, everyone. Yes, hi, everybody in the chat. Please hit the like button on your way in. Hey, Paula Scott. Hey, Paulette Scott. I'm sorry. How you doing? How y'all doing today? Yes, yes. Hi, everybody. Hi. So y'all already see the title of the video, y'all. What is going on? We should have knew a hater was gonna come up out the bushes, and if it got anything to do with Mel, yeah, we should have knew Martell was coming. Yes, good evening, Regina. Sea Soil and Sunshine. Hi, how are you? New subscriber, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Mama V, hi, how are you? Yes, you finally caught a live. Yes, yes, y'all. I had to hop on here. Lies and more lies. Hi. Yes. Hey, you guys. Hey, PBE. Girl, you never disappoint. Oh, thank you, PBE. I try, y'all. Look, as soon as I run across something, I'm like, hold on. My YouTube family gonna want to talk about this. Let me bring it to them. Let me bring it to them. Yes, yes. Hi, everybody. Please hit the like button. Chronicles of Kim K. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Somali Queen. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all, all the content creators that's in the chat, go check them out. Show them some love, subscribe, interact with their content. It really helps push us out. And it's enough out here for everybody to eat. Go show them some love. Hello, Reality Insight. How are you doing? Yes, y'all. Yeah, show everybody some love in the chat. So Mel has been doing great, you guys. Hi, Mary. Why? How you doing, boo? So Mel has been doing great. So that's positive. On a positive note, Mel did post a few quick videos over there on TikTok. She even posted a recent one showing that, TikTok sent her some flowers and congratulated her on her big live and said they're looking forward to working with her closely. So y'all know Mel must have done great. TikToks want to continue working with her. I'm sure she's going to have some upcoming projects and all type of like sponsorships and all type of things coming her way because of the live, and she deserves it. Hello, yep. Sigh, what Martell do now? Yes, we finna hop into it, Samantha. You know he always something. When they see Mel doing good, they gotta pop out the bushes. They gotta pop out. That TikTok got them bothered. Yes, it do, y'all. We gonna get into it. We sure are. What's shaking? Hey, everybody in the chat. Terry T Baby for life. Lady C. Yes. He ain't going to win. He just won't give up. Bum loser need to move on. Yes, Mary. He does. He does. He does. Hello, Chronicles. Hey. Yes. Hello, everybody. So, you guys, I'm not going to even hold y'all for long. We're going to get to discussing this. Martell. He just won't leave that lady alone. He won't let her be great, even though he see she gonna succeed anyway. May, how you doing? How you doing? So y'all know that Mel and Martell, as far as I know, it was two cases going on simultaneously. That was the Revenge P case that he was actually found guilty in, and he is now trying to get a retrial on that. And then it was the case that they had with the kids, where he was actually, told to go get a psych eval, which I still haven't seen the the psyche eval. So I don't know what's going on with the psyche eval, but the case we're going to discuss is the case that concerns the kids, and I'm assuming custody and everything like that. I did peek in on this case a little bit over in my membership, but I'm not doing the membership right now, you guys. But I did speak about this case in the membership, and I was going to kind of like handle this case with care because it is concerning their kids. So I want to watch the type of information we put out there. But the stuff in this motion is not, it's about Mel. It's about his obsession with Mel. So I thought, this was okay for us to go ahead and kind of go over this, and we're going to get into it. So, like I said, this is the case involving the children with Mel and Martell. Now, back in, I believe it was June, I'm gonna get to you guys comments, but I gotta make this a little bigger so I can see. So this is the document from June of this year where they basically set the court date for October the 16th. And this document was dated for June the 20th, 2024. Okay, and then let me see. Hold on. Let me remove this comment, y'all. He's going to say she kept the kids up, jeopardizing their school. Hey, that's one of the things, lies and more lies. That goes to show everybody hip to Martell bullshit, huh? That is one of the things he's listed. Okay, so then they set the court date for October, you guys. But in Martell fashion, he went and got himself a new attorney. So this is dated for September 25th, 2024. And that was yesterday's date. And this says it is a notice of limited appearance. And it basically says, please take this notice that I have been retained by and to appear for defendant Martell LeVar Holt in the above entitled action. Said appearance is limited to the proceedings held in the Circuit Court of Madison County, Alabama. I hereby request the copies of all papers in this action be served on me at my office. Respectfully submitted the 25th day of September 2024. And he signed that. So that is Martell's new attorney, you guys. Now, remember, they're set to go for their trial to start in what, 2.5 weeks? So why is this attorney just now requesting all of these documents and you only have 2.5 weeks until you're set to go to trial? Aquarius goddess. Another attorney, Martell, who's paying for your returns? He probably have to save up some money, y'all, before he can get them. Has he paid her attorney's fee yet? I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna have to check into that. But he was ordered to pay her attorney fees. He's also in this case that we're discussing today. They both had to come and pay some more money for their guardian ad litem for the kids, guardian ad litem. So I don't even know if he paid his portion of that. So you guys, his new attorney introduced himself yesterday and stated he needed all of the documents concerning the case to be, sent to him so he can get caught up for this trial that's supposed to start in 2.5 weeks. He's a darn lie. She makes sure the kids don't miss any school with his broke bum arse. I'm sick of him with his trifling behind. Actually, in the last video I posted, which was titled Mel'S Update, she even mentioned that she got the kids to school on time the Monday after her live. Her live was Sunday, and she still got the kids to school on Monday morning. It's comical at this point. This dude still doesn't realize the more he does with her, the more she continues to win. Exactly, y'all. So let's get into the actual tea. Now that Martell attorney has introduced himself. Hold on, y'all. Let me get right back out. Let me just remove the comment so you guys can see everything. Okay. So, and it's actually the next slide. Look, bear with me, bear with me. Okay, here we go. So this is his first amended counterclaim and petition for Rule Nasi. And as we can see in that corner, this was electronically filed September 26th, 2024. And I'm going to just read it, you guys, so we can see exactly what Martell has to say. So again, his first amended counterclaim, and it says, comes now, defendant Martell LeVar Holt Buying through his attorney of record and files this, his first amended counterclaim and petition for Rule 9 and support thereof, states as follows. Number one, defendant adopts and incorporates by reference the claims set forward in his original counterclaim and petition for Rule 9 as if set forth herein in their entirety. Number two, that this court previously ordered in an order dated September 6, 2022, that there shall be no corporal punishment administered to the children. However, plaintiff continues to physically punish the party's youngest child. So, he brought that up in his first claim that Melody was still using corporal punishment. Number three, that this court ordered on February 28th, 2023, that the father shall have the right of first refusal for purposes of the parties' edification. If the parties cannot agree, occasional nights with the grandparents shall be considered once per quarter. And then he goes on to say, the plaintiff is in contempt of this order by allowing the minor children to visit with their grandmother, Vanessa Tracy, at least once a month without giving defendant right of first refusal. Now, Martell, you want to be so petty saying that she is letting the kids go with Miss Van. What does it matter? That's their grandmother, Martell. Like, stop being so petty. He said plaintiff is further in violation of this order by leaving the minor children in the care of Jason Moore. Moore, a man she refers to as her security guard, without giving the defendant the right of first refusal. So he mad and bothered about Jason, y'all. He's mad about Jason. He a damn lie. Lord, Mel ain't beat Sugar Mama. Y'all know Mel ain't over there beating on her doggone kids. Mel is sweet. This won't stand. Melody has an order for him to stay away from her for an entire year. Her mom doesn't have to have contact with him. And after what Mel said regarding how Destiny was allowed to act with Miss Van, why should she give Martell her number? So let's go on, y'all. It says number 4. The plaintiff refuses to provide the defendant with the grandmother's contact information. Therefore, he has no way to communicate with his children anytime they are with her. Number 5, that Moore routinely places the lives and welfare of the children at risk by allowing the 11 and 12-year-old to drive a car on city and state roads. Number 6, that plaintiff's mother also places the lives and welfare of the children at risk by allowing the 11 and 12-year-old to drive her car on city and state roads. So he's mad that they have been teaching the kids how to drive. Martell wants to know Melody whereabout at all time. I agree. But yet, he has Mel's kids around Coleslaw and Destiny. He is a joke. Oh, he picking. Ain't he picking, child? He's so petty. He want to pick at her either way he can. Oh, he mad at Jason now. Yeah, he mad at the security, y'all. He get more into him in the next document. He gets more into Mr. Jason, y'all. What? Yes, Paulette Scott. When I read it, I said, oh, Martell, really? So he's mad about the kids learning how to drive and learning how to become independent. I know plenty of people that start teaching their kids around that age to drive. And long as you're safe and their parent is there, I don't see anything wrong with learning to drive at that age. He doesn't need to check on the kids daily. He can't even buy them a meal. He's a clown. This is upsetting me. LOL. God bless and protect Mel and the kids. Yes, you guys. He is a clown, and it's upsetting me too, because it's like, sir, you want to put any little thing on her, you can, but that's why Mel should have definitely reported his butt. I know she was trying to be nice and not trying to, keep down conflict and stuff, but she should have reported him for not being able to feed the kids, because he's going to be petty Betty as much as he can. Hey, Tay Talk. Hey. She says, hey, T for T, what I missed. Child, you missed Martell being mad because Mel is successful. Basically, we're going over a document that Martell filed today in the case he has against Melody regarding the kids. So this was filed today, and we actually just got started. We read the first document that's on the screen. You guys can take a look at everything. He's basically mad that the kids are learning how to drive. He's mad that Melody is letting the kids visit with Miss Van. He's a convicted felon. They're not going to believe his distorted lies. Yes, y'all. So let's get into the second document, y'all. Let's get into the second. Here's the second one. And it says, number 7, the plaintiff allows Moore, who is married to another woman, to refer to himself as daddy to the children, in violation of the court's parenting clause, which have been attached to and incorporated in at least 2 previous orders of this court. Number 8, plaintiff allows Moore to spend the night with the children present. Plaintiff also allows Moore to travel with her and the children. Oh, he mad Mel took the security. Excuse me, guys. He's mad Mel took security with her to LA. He says he be calling himself daddy, saying the security guard, Jason, refers to himself as daddy over the kids. What do y'all think? Y'all think it's some truth to that? When you live in the country, that's the age you learn to drive in. I know. He allowed them to drive those ATVs without helmets and supervision because he was too busy trying to be on live down talking their mother. He said the security be spending the night and refers to himself as daddy. Let's hop back into y'all. Number 9, plaintiff and Moore appear to be engaged in a relationship other than that of an employer and employee. He's saying Mel and the security engaging in other stuff. Says she allows him to come inside the house and stay after the children are asleep. Martell, how do you know what's going on after the kids are asleep? If they can't tell you because they sleep, so how you know what's going on? Says she cuddles on the couch with him and he rubs her feet. Now, y'all think he got that from that live. Y'all remember when Mel said somebody was rubbing her leg and her feet and was saying how soft she was from using her products? Y'all remember she mentioned that? So was he on the live too, tapping? Was he tapping the screen because it don't cost a thing? Because he was over there reporting some stuff that Mel mentioned. She didn't say who was rubbing them, but she mentioned somebody was rubbing up on her, and they liked it. I told y'all Jason was her man, Tay. And even if he is, get a life, Martell. Get a fucking life. Let's get into it, y'all. Look, y'all. Okay, let me find out where we was. Says, okay, she cuddles on the couch with him and he rubs her feet. And they tell each other they love each other via text messages. Additionally, they have been observed kissing in the middle of the night when they think all of the children are asleep. At least one child has observed this and was very upset that her mother would have a relationship with a married man. Oh, Lord. He says, allowing a member of the opposite sex with whom she is engaged in a romantic relationship to spend the night while the children are home is a violation of this court's parenting clause, which has been attached and incorporated in at least 2 previous orders of this court. Number 10, the plaintiff continues to provide pictures of the minor children to her assistant, Lauren. He done dragged Lauren in it. Her mother, Tracy, to post on social media and allow them to be seen on live posts. But you allowed Dusty Dan to post them kids along with Slaw and Baby Slaw and Junior Slaw. So what's the problem? Lying on the kids again, straight jacket his ass, please, man. Y'all think the kids told him they saw Mel kissing the security guard? Y'all think Martell just pulling stuff out the air? Martell is a sad piece of ish. Hey, Chef Dun Dun, thank you so much for joining the live. Y'all go support all the content creators that's in the building. Yeah, Martell is something else. But yeah, he spends the night was his harlot who destroyed his marriage. Make it make sense. Exactly. But Dusty can post them and you have that other kid on social media. Exactly. Tay said the kids were like, I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus. Okay, he mad, y'all. Let's get back into it. It says the plaintiff continues. Hold on, was that where we were, y'all? Allowing members of the opposition to engage romantic, yes, some social media. Yeah, okay, so we are number 11. It says the plaintiff, who has decision-making authority over routine medical issues, refuses to provide the children with a pediatrician or primary care physician. The children have no routine medical checkups. I don't believe that, Martell. I don't believe that one bit. Mel is extremely organized and about handling her business from as much as I can see. I don't believe she doesn't take care of her children as taking them to the doctor when they need to go and are scheduled to go. So I don't believe that. Number 12, the plaintiff continues to take the minor children out of town for extended periods of time during the school year. These trips have no educational or cultural benefits. Two of the children are struggling academically and are forced to miss school. These trips also force them to miss scheduled sports and cut into defendants' custodial time. So he said they missed school, but from my recollection, it seemed that Mel may have left after the kids got out of school. And we seen on her TikTok that she had them back for school that Monday. So I don't see how they're missing school. Bye, Mr. ATM. Yeah, Martell is, I don't know what he's on. He's he's scraping up any and everything he can. Child is one doesn't go to the checkups. Martell is petty. Yes, he is very petty, y'all. So let's see what he's asking the court to do about all this. So he says, wherefore premises and considered, defendant prays that this honorable court will A, order that the plaintiff, Melody Cherie Holt, to appear at a time and date to be set by the court to show cause, if any, she may have, why she should not be punished as for a civil and criminal contempt with respect to the matter and things set out herein above, that upon said hearing, the court will find said plaintiff, Melody Cherie Holt, in contempt of court and will mete out such punishment as the honorable court may deem just and proper. B, award the defendant reimbursement for any and all attorney fees. C, enter such other orders and decrees as may be reasonable and proper in this action. Respectfully submitted this 26th day of September 2024. And we see here it is the certificate of service. So you guys, he wants Mel to be found in contempt. That's what he wants. He wants Mel. She's having the security spend the night and be referred to as daddy. She's making the kids miss school. And she's apparently still using corporal punishment on little Sugar. And Martell, I think he is just petty. He's so mad at Mel that she out here thriving without him. He was probably so hot and bothered by that TikTok live. He went and paid for a lawyer immediately. He needed this motion to be filed today. He ain't playing no games. Let's see what y'all saying in the chat. So he did this because he knows he's not about to pay this new attorney just like he hasn't paid the other ones. That would probably explain why he's always ending up with a new attorney. Martell is a joke. This is ridiculous. Trying to be LeBeric. Yeah, he is trying to be LeBeric, but I don't think he's gonna get a LeBeric outcome. He's saying Mel don't take the kids to the doctor regularly, and that's very hard for me to believe. Martell is just out of his mind. Has he went and done that psyche val like he was told to do? He studied foul emotions. Have you did that psyche val? We know this is about her recent TikTok success. He probably watched the whole live. Child, he probably was tapping the screen because it didn't cost a thing. Yeah, this is about that. He said she let the security travel out of town with her. Well, I mean, security, if they're guarding your life, hence what a bodyguard does, I would think they would travel with her to her major events she had. He mad because he can't travel with her no more. Martell mad because he couldn't go to LA. Everyone was saying he was going to be mad, and he is furious, y'all. He is furious. Kids need an annual exam to enter new school. Y'all know Mel be dotting her I's and crossing her T's, in my opinion. That's just something he wants to throw out there to try to stack all his accusations together, in my opinion. Oh my God, he is evil. Martell is something else. Says, I don't think Melody in Miss Van is going to be that reckless to allow a minor child to drive a car under the age of 16. I believe they've been teaching them how to drive. I thought I saw that. I thought I saw Mel though. I thought I saw Mel in the car and she was saying she was teaching one of the older kids. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but I could have sworn I saw that they were teaching the kids how to drive. But that's not a young age, in my opinion. It's a lot of people that learn around that time. Martell, you allow destiny. We read that one. And he still keep filing court papers in the name Holt. Yes, they keep referring to her as Melody Cherie Holt. Like, sir, she dropped your name. Get over it. We know this is about, the recent TikTok. We read that. Martell, she was calling him daddy, not the kids. Lies and more lies. Right. Is he referring to her calling the security daddy? Talking about the security refers to himself as daddy. Well, maybe he's saying he's Mel's daddy. I don't know. Trying to embarrass her because Destiny was embarrassed by LB is what it sounds like. All that baby daddy / ex-husband mad this week. Man, well, we know Martell is mad. I gotta disagree about LeBeric. I know some people think he mad, but I think he has to handle stuff that way with Destiny. When you're dealing with a person that, in my opinion, likes to switch up the narrative to make sure they come out looking like angels, you have to go by the letter of the law, especially when you have something to lose. Any mention of him in that eval? No, that's what I was looking for. I'm like, he's still talking about what Mel got going on, baby. What about that psyche eval that you was ordered to do? What about that? But they are scheduled to go to court on the 16th, I believe. Yeah. So their trial was supposed to start is that the 16th or the 18th? I gotta make it bigger, y'all. Yeah, the 16th of October. They're scheduled for their trial to begin. Martell had his now attorney file the documents and request all of the paperwork be sent to him at his office. And after he notified everybody that he was the new attorney, they went straight to it and they filed this motion against Mel. Destiny Slick got coleslaw in her video at the restaurant. Yeah, she was posting the kids. Bitter baby daddy strikes again. Y'all know it. He is so jelly. He is. He's definitely mad. The attorney gonna quit by then. Y'all, right. Let's see how long he keeps this new attorney on record. Let's see that. I can't stand him. I hope you're mad at Jason because he's taller and smaller. This is way too disparage and harass her through the courts. I agree, PBE. I agree with you. He had to come with something because Mel was kicking his behind in court, in my opinion. So now he's trying to come with something. The innocent instigator of Miguel is married to. He couldn't recognize that acting. And y'all, it's so crazy because when I saw Mel's TikTok, when she mentioned dropping the kids off at school, I'm like, oh, even the kids went to school, baby. I would have been trying to stay home in the bed somewhere. But now I see you really have to do what you have to do when you're dealing with a ex like Martell. Because they're going to try to use every little thing against you. Now I see why, she said, okay, I'm going to have the kids. You know what? I'm going to still take them with me, and made it work. And he was so mad that she took her mom and she took her security guard. And so he's mad as heck that everybody is getting to enjoy this with Mel. And so this is what he has. What's today? Thursday? Only 3-4 days later, he files a new motion alleging all of these things. He is just so petty. Get about that lady bushes and quit questioning them kids about their mama. Cause you talk about they was sleep. She had company when they was sleep. Well, how you know she had company? How you know that? Cause the kids couldn't tell you. They were asleep, remember? 272 likes. It's darn near 1,000 people in the chat. Y'all click the like button and subscribe. It don't cost a thing. Yes, thank you, Chronicle of Kim K. Let them know. Y'all click the like button. It's a free way to support my channel. Now y'all know I be trying to bring this tea to y'all. Now y'all can like the video. Y'all can share the video. Help push my content if y'all like the content. Now I know y'all be returning, so y'all must like what y'all see. Don't be that way now. Like and subscribe. Hey, I had to come out the bushes. Guys, hopefully everyone having a great evening. With him referring to her still as Holt when it put him in a position of being mentally unstable. I don't know, child. It's like he just won't let it go. Mel gets those phones away from those kids. Martell is stalking her some way. Now, which one of those kids told on their mom Mel better do a sweep of the house? Okay, TikTok is a major lesson in global economics, entrepreneurship, and a good old American dream teaching that can't be taught in school. Yes, it is. It's a great opportunity for her. Mel started off, I believe before she did the live on Sunday, she had around 15K followers. Now her page over there on TikTok is at 40K. The Melody Cherie 11. Yeah, and she spent, y'all seen all those orders she was packing? Mel did great. And TikTok reached out to her, sent her flowers, congratulated her on the live, and said they looking forward to working closely with her. So it's all positivity surrounded by Mel. This doesn't phase her one bit. I'm sure her lawyer will be filing the motion maybe tomorrow. I'm sure her lawyers are going to be on it. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on it. See for TV, someone asking for your Cash App. You guys, I don't have a Cash App right now at the moment. You guys can send super chats and stuff if you want to support the channel. Everything is appreciated because the court documents do cost, you guys. I do pay out of pocket for the court documents. So if you feel it on your heart to want to support, go ahead and send super chats. Nothing is too small. And I will be getting a Cash App because I know a lot of you guys do like to send it that way. So I'll be doing that pretty soon. Thank you, whoever's asking. She has probably asked him a million times, and I bet he always says no. Yeah, he does the most. Hey y'all, hey brown skin girl. Thank you so much for joining. Why this lawyer filed all these lies and this fool. Y'all, isn't it sounding crazy? Let's just skim through it again, because I can't believe why he mad that Miss Van is willing to watch the kids. Y'all know he be mad at anybody that helps Mel. She already said that he says they make her life easier. So he's mad at anybody that does that. Oh, thank you, Tay, for the piping hot tea. She sent a $20 super chat. Thank you so much, Tay. That was so sweet. Simply beautiful. Hey, lovely. She says Martell is full of shit. The kids aren't struggling in school. He's struggling to understand their assignments. Okay, just because you can't help them with their homework don't mean they struggling. Now, I wonder where he got that from. And if they're struggling, why aren't you doing more to help them? No contact means no contact. He is violating the order of protection. Is he, you guys? You know he out creeping in her windows. Okay, because trying to tell them what she does at night, and you said the kids were asleep, That's a little weird. Also, quit accusing that lady of beating her kids, talking about she using corporal punishment on the youngest child. And why would she single the baby out to get corporal punishment? So you mean to tell me she's not using corporal punishment on none of the older kids, but the baby out the bunch, she's gonna be still using corporal punishment on? Come on, Martell. I'm telling y'all, if you, I don't believe it. And this is my opinions. All information is alleged, but I don't believe that. Why would she pick the baby to do anything with? Why would she abuse any of her kids? Let's just get that out there. But for you to single out the youngest one, like, come on. And then he's saying she's visiting. She let the kids go with Miss Van, and he doesn't have Miss Van's number again. Didn't you let Destiny disrespect Miss Van at the kids' game? Why would you need her mother's contact information if you don't even respect the lady? Like, come on now. What is gonna be? Said he's manipulating Sugar Mama somehow to say that. Y'all know we had went over that video over on the Gossip Girls channel when it looked like he was coaching them on what to say, because them kids were saying the exact same thing at the exact same time. They was even counting on their fingers, like that helped them remember the list of things they were supposed to just throw out there. Do grandparents have rights? They do. I think it is a such thing as grandparents' rights. I believe they do. This is scary. Also, I believe that Mel lets them go with Miss Van on her time that she's scheduled to have them. So I don't see how they could interfere. If that's my set time by the court, I should be able to, basically let the children do what I want them to do on my time. If I want them to visit their grandmother, excuse me, what's the issue with that? And Sugar Mama is always up under Mel. Y'all know Mel ain't over there harming them kids in no type of way. Those children have more book sense than he's. Yeah, I don't believe him. Brown skin said, I don't believe him. I don't either. That's him, the AB user. Do Mel have slaw number? Okay. Is Mel in touch with your mama and everybody else you have around the kids? He sees everybody around. Melody, Lauren, Jay, and security guard. Everybody is enjoying the fruits because they are helping Melody. They are there for her, and he can't enjoy the luxury anymore. And I agree. Mel is the type of person, she's so blessed that it's literally bursting out and getting on everybody that's around her. And she didn't just go to TikTok. Lauren got to go to TikTok. Lauren's sister got to go to TikTok. The security guard got to go to TikTok. Miss Van, the kids got to go to TikTok. Sean and her daughter and her son got to go to TikTok. So it's like everybody was blessed with the opportunity, and he can't stand it that he no longer gets to get that by default of just being Mel's husband. He's so mad about that. Hold on, y'all. Somebody else sent me a super chat, didn't it? Okay, yes, to Latrice. Thank you so much. Oh, y'all, does this mean I need to give me a money song? So I can get pop the trunk or do whatever I need to do for when I get the super chats. Thank you so much. He said he just can't let go. Almost scary. Yes, to Latrice. I have to agree. It is almost scary, you guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of felt like some was probably popping off between Mel and the security guard, because when you work closely with someone and you're both attractive, sometimes that's the thing. Now, I don't know. He's saying that the guy is married. I would like to probably hear that out of his own mouth. Is he married and separated? What's the details? Because you're just throwing out there that he married. I don't believe Mel would mess with a married man. I don't believe Mel is that type of person. And especially since she knows firsthand what that betrayal feels like and that hurt feels like, I don't see Mel messing with no married man. So I don't believe that either. If they are, dating or doing something like that, he's either not married or separated or something. I don't see her messing with no married man though. No, if he's married though. I'm saying I don't see her messing with no married man. The ring is just a disguise, in my opinion. Exactly. I don't see Mel doing that unless she has firm proof of this man being single and available. I don't see her messing with him. He saw Miguel feeling Mel. Oh yeah, I completely forgot y'all about Miguel Nunez, and he asked Mel out on a date. He said he will fly to Huntsville. He said he don't care about the rocket ship center or whatever else they got going on in Huntsville. He said, baby, Huntsville's best attributes is Miss Melody Cherie. So he said he want a date with that. Mel said Jason is married and she knows and respects his wife. Well, there you go. Mel said the man is married and she knows and respects his wife. And for that, I'm gonna, if that came out of Mel's mouth, I know she's not messing with that man. I need Melody to have them lawyers get on him and not hold back. Y'all know she is. What's the difference of Van and Marlene? Somebody tell me. Paperwork has to go to the office because he has no home. You talking about Martell? Just like she was in, look, hold on. Just like she was in Loud and Wrong about Devin Keith, Martell is grasping at straws. And the lawyer is just adding this case to lies. And y'all know the lawyer don't care. He like, baby, as long as I get paid for filing this motion, that's all that matter. T Mama says to her shenanigans, she referred to Mel's kids as hers. Can't remember exactly, but he had the kids, and she said our 5 kids. Her daughter was with the father. Mel said Jason is married. All right. So she said it on one of her lives. Okay. She even said he's married and much younger than her. Oh, okay. Hello, CC. She's speaking to everybody. Y'all, if I didn't get to y'all comments, I'm sorry. The chat is moving a little fast. I'm trying to slow it down. Thank you so much, Samantha Eva, for the $6.99 super chat. I really appreciate it. She said, I really hope Mel is getting her back blown out. For real, she deserves it. Why he mad? I thought he was supposed to be with coleslaw. This is sad. Yeah, it is. And I hope she does have her a friend and she's dating and experiencing the wonders of being treated like the beautiful queen she is, period. He did that to himself by choosing to cheat and make a gremlin with the rotten cabbage. Exactly. He wanted to go lay up with a little tackhead. Man, that's what he got. Y'all, can y'all believe this? He says that Moore routinely places the lives of and welfare of the children because he's teaching them to drive. So he's mad, y'all, that the security guard is teaching the kids how to drive. Sir, why you not teaching your own kids? Are you mad because another man is bonding and spending time with your kids and they actually enjoy his company? Could that be why you're mad he's teaching the kids to drive? Come on, Martell, get it together. Martell, can you afford to take the kids to LA? Oh, okay. That's why you're upset. Melody pulled all your receipts. Martell doesn't deserve no mercy for his foolishness. I agree. He had the kids driving ATVs. Yes, somebody brought that up. And I brought up that he wasn't even watching them and paying attention to them, in my opinion, because he was on live trying to down talk their mother. It's time for Mel to tear that ass up in court. Y'all, she been tearing them up now. Mel ain't been playing. They go to trial October 16th. And he hurried up and filed this, y'all, because he was mad. He seen Mel rubbing that body scrub on Jason's arm. That nigga probably bust a blood vessel. What's nobody mad when Slaw built that gingerbread crack house? PB. To the corner, ma'am. Not the crack house. Not the sea house now. Oh my God, y'all are so funny. Where he even got the money to file the motion, y'all. He didn't probably went and pawned something. He didn't went and donated some plasma or something for this lawyer because he went and secured him quick up after that live. He went and secured him quick. Said, but did he not leave the keys riding ATVs with no supervision while he was on live talking badly about Mel? Come on through how I see it. Y'all, how I see it as a content creator. Go show her some love. Brown skin, when they talk. Braylon Lee. Hey, Braylon. He's also a content creator. Y'all go show him some love. PBE is a content creator. Who else in here? Everybody else that is a content creator. Please show them some love, y'all. Go interact with their channels. Comment, like, subscribe. Do all of that. Too, Latrice is not the plasma girl. He would probably sell his left foot to get up the money to go file this motion, baby. He saw Mel rubbing that man's arm He saw a celebrity, Miguel Nunez, asking Mel out to dinner. He saw Mel up there on that live with that makeup beat, looking all thickums, looking like Miss Thickums. And baby, I know them eyes popped right out of his head. His chest was hurting like Offset. Not like Offset. Yeah, he was over there. I bet he missed his grandma too. I bet Martell missed his grandma, his daddy, his brother that's locked up. He probably missed everybody. He better pay Mel $7,000 attorney fees he was ordered to pay. I know that's right. And he better go get that psyche vat. Wanda's wide bubble mouth was the first one heard to say that, but Melody's security guard with her crazy herself. Girl, you know, anybody Mel is around, they're going to probably try to put her with because she's beautiful. So we know that any man that's around in her present is going to be hypnotized like Miguel was. Y'all seen he was on Mel from the moment he saw her. He like, hold on, she look good, smell good. She up here doing big things. He's still trying to get financial gain. Yes, he is, y'all. He is. We just skimming through the documents. He said the plaintiff allowed Moore, who is married to another woman, to refer to himself as daddy to the children. He says Moore spend the night. And plaintiff also allows Moore to travel with her and the children. Martell, we know you ain't never had no money to hire a security guard or, you know, a bodyguard, but they guard the body, love. So they're usually going to go wherever the body that they're hired to protect goes. You know, says allowing him said they were kissing in the middle of the night. Now, Martell, did you need that to just pad your motion? He said the plaintiff continues to take the minor children out of town. You mad you ain't getting no more vacations? You mad you and Coleslaw can only go as far as the Gulf Shores out there in Alabama? That's the closest y'all gonna be to a beach, is the Gulf Shores out there. And why would she give him Mama Van's number? And he's so disrespectful. Exactly. 520 likes. Hit the like button. Y'all heard her. Please hit the like button. Thank you. It's a free way to support the channel. Y'all know I'll be bringing y'all this tea. Now, like for me. Thank you. Says maybe the kids heard her yell daddy. I'm just saying I ain't mad at her. Y'all know. I wouldn't be mad at her either, y'all. But come on. Y'all know Mel. I don't think she's that type to be getting all loud. Now, she got a big old house. Now, I'm not saying she probably ain't had nobody over there. But I'm saying I don't think she would be all cutting up like that to where the kids was screaming and knowing the man's name. Now, I don't think she would be doing all that. How does he know what's going on in Mel's house? Did he somehow get some kind of listening device put in her house? Or is he just making all this shit up? We don't know, y'all. He's trying to throw the kids in it and say that they told him that they saw Mel and Jason, who is the security guard, kissing. But I don't know about that, because plenty of people have got up under here and said that Mel has established that Jason is a married man and she knows and respects his wife. So he's probably lying on them kids, y'all. Again, he filed the same motion Destiny did. He's mad that he lost control, period. I believe he is, PBE. He didn't take them half the time. He can't afford to feed them all. Exactly, y'all. He's over here mad. He's very mad. Brittany J, thank you so much. Brittany Janae, thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat. She says Martell had to give up his hook and curb to pay his lawyer. Girl. Okay, he probably hit his best friend out. Mr. Y'all know who. He probably hit CK up for a few favors. Because he showed all this time, baby, you had to go to trial in 2.5 weeks. And you just got this lawyer. Melody specifically said that the kids sleep with her while she was in California. Exactly, y'all. So Martell is just, he was mad. He was mad that Mel went to LA with all them people. He know what that means for Mel. Everybody does, which is why Betty Mushface Steele also was hating on Mel's live. The reason a lot of people were hating on Mel's live, because they know once that door get cracked open for her, she's going to bust it wide open. They already know that about Mel. They know she don't play when it comes to social media and marketing her businesses. They know her supporters don't play. They know the millimeters don't play. So they already knew what it meant for Mel to get invited out to TikTok. That was her first, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be her last. Mel is gonna do big things, you guys. She's gonna get sponsorships. She's gonna get partnerships, all type of stuff, and they know that, and by extension that is going to expand her brand to even the people that haven't heard of it, people that are not familiar with Love and Marriage Huntsville. This gives her an avenue to reach them, and even to some of the younger people that are on TikTok. A lot of people are into skincare. Listen, I seen a TikTok of a little girl, was about 7 years old. She did a TikTok talking about her morning skin routine, what she do before she's waking up at 5 a.m. to do skincare. So these kids are getting involved in a lot of stuff a lot younger. So that's money for Mel, baby. Money making Mel. She finna bust through the door. This motherfucker is a liar, and truth ain't in him nowhere in the building with him, y'all. If she did a QVC, I'd totally watch. I would too. The hook and curve, baby. He done had the hook and curve somebody. Welcome on the routine. Yeah. A lot of people are going to come, y'all. So he just alleged really a bunch of nothing, y'all, in my opinion. But I just couldn't believe he had the balls to really go and file this. Like, what is wrong with him? Hey, T, talk with your girl. Thank you so much for joining. She says, hey, T from TV. Thanks for dropping the T. I can't believe this band struck again. Exactly. He done struck again, y'all. He wasted his money, though, so we're going to let him waste it. He still got to pay them fees that he was ordered to pay. So we're going to see if he got some money to pay them fees. We're going to see, what comes of this. I'm going to keep y'all updated. I already know Mel is going to get her attorneys on it. If not, they already probably know what's going on. They probably already drafting up their motions, and I'm going to keep an eye out for it. So he can have someone, but she can't. Exactly. He's dated how many people since maybe even before the breakup? We know Sloth slithered her way into it, but then he dated Cherie, Belinda, and other people. And weren't they around? Weren't the kids around Belinda? Drop the mic, says hey T from TV in chat. Thank you so much for joining. Drop the mic. Y'all go show the content creators some love. Everybody, I really appreciate y'all coming over. Says Martell needs help. I agree. I want to see that psych eval. Because, baby, show us what's going on with that. Show us what's going on with your psych eval, Martell. You can do everything but that. Says skincare is where the money is at, especially for influencers. You get paid way more when you do skincare sponsorships. I agree. And they know they was hating because they couldn't get in. Hating outside the club because they couldn't get in, baby. They couldn't. And he know he wrong. He just wants to do something because you're not saying nothing. She lets her kids go spend time with their grandmother. Ooh. She's teaching her oldest children how to drive. Ooh. It's like, what? Really? You gonna waste up the court with this type of stuff? And she has a romantic partner, even though it seems to be that he's lying about who, this person is. But if she did have one, calm down and sit back. You've been seen with multiple women. Y'all been divorced for many years. Calm down, Martell. Jonetta Speak says, thanks for the tea. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, love. I really appreciate it. Said he must have a spy cam or a drone, or he out there parked outside her house with a walkie-talkie. Y'all know he loved them walkie-talkies. Did he slip one in one of the kids' gym bag or overnight bag? Man, I'm gonna need you to search your house. Because he's talking about some stuff that occurred and he ain't got no business knowing if it really occurred. She shouldn't let them bring anything to her house when it's her week. He's putting listening devices on the kids' phone and other electronics. I would have a phone for them when they come home. Yeah, I agree. I wouldn't want anything in my house. And Mel has said how she didn't want anything in her house coming from Martell, because it's just no limit on what he would go. Y'all remember she said she believed Dusty was trying to record her on the girls' trip. Like, these people are desperate. What they think they're gonna catch Mel in, I don't know. Um, but yeah, she mentioned that Destiny was trying to record her. Like, I don't know. And everything they've tried to call themselves dropping on Mel, it ain't been no tea. It has not been no tea. They've been over here serving up something that don't nobody even care about. And you know what? People quick to say that Mel needs to move on, but will completely ignore all the crap Martell is doing and still say that Mel is bitter. Yes, they will. Y'all, it was so many people I've seen to the point they were hating on this lady lives. They were saying that her numbers, her likes were fake because she had 16.4 million likes. And they said that they were fake because they all came from the same people. You guys, likes are likes. It doesn't matter if she had the same people in her live. That's actually even more impressive, because that means the people that were on her live messed with her so much that they were constantly tapping the screen and getting her likes up. So why are y'all mad? He's trying to get the courts to say that Jason can't be around the kids. Yeah, he is. So I'm glad that Mel came out and said that this guy was married and she knows his wife. And I'm sure if he's married, he can prove that, and the court will just, dismiss all this stuff. It's not hard. Like Mel said about that other content creator, y'all are bringing up stuff that can be easily verified in court. So I'm sure her attorney is ready for him. That psych eval is way overdue. Ain't it though? I want the court to come back and be like, okay, you said this about her, but where's the psych eval we ordered? It's been established that Coleslaw has been in the children's presence. Besides jealousy and envy, he has mental instability as well. And the kids also stated how Coleslaw and her kid was bullying them. Like, so who has really exposed these children to psychological abuse? Who really did it, Martell? He said that he more spends the night within the children's present. Says she provides pictures to Lauren and Miss Tracy to post on live, because once again he was been stalking these people all weekend, because we know on the way back Lauren showed a little bit of the kids. They were all excited and stuff. So he was just going around stalking these people pages and stuff. And he's so weird, because people around you have posted the kids before. And I'm sure Mel doesn't have to send Miss Van any pictures of the kids, nor do I believe she has to send Lauren any pictures of the kids, because guess what, Martell? They seem to be around your kids, if not every day, multiple times a week. So I'm sure they can get their own pictures and videos of the kids. They don't have to wait to Mel to send them to them. He only wanted her for X. Yeah, if y'all talking about Martell and Coleslaw, Mel wanted another security guard. Jason got forget, gets kicked off the team. He won't get close to Mel. He doesn't want her to have security, because even if it was a woman security, he would be throwing out the same rumors. I agree. How I see it, TV. I agree. Who told him Jason was married? They said Mel said it, child. They said Mel said he was married. Martell is jealous of Melody's security guard. He is. Martell, go away and be happy with Ari, a.k.a. Coleslaw. Somebody tell him again. It's all speculation. All these lies in his court doc. Yeah, Jason is a 24-hour security, so he's supposed to stay overnight. Exactly. And he's supposed to go out of town with her. Talking about she allows him to travel with her. You're right. She needs security everywhere, because you seem to be paying very close attention to what this lady still has going on, which justify her having her security guard. He is so jealous. Destiny has posted the kids, and that Belinda lady is aware. Exactly. People around him have posted the kids. So did he provide Destiny with the video, or did she post it herself? Exactly. Jason is keeping Martell from getting close to Mel, and he is pissed. I believe it. Oh my God, donate plasma. Look, he did something, Vanessa White, to get up this money to go retain that lawyer and to get this doggone paper foul. Yeah, he done did something. He done went and uh collected some cans so he can recycle. He done went and did something. Did Coastline Dusty post the kids? Yes, they did. Said, did he forget the reason why she has security? Is because of him. She also has to have security on set too. What a disgusting man. I agree, y'all. Seems like Mel has been having the kids more than every other week. She can use that against him because he hasn't had them like he's supposed to. Exactly, y'all. Exactly. Martell had the gall and the balls and the hook and the curve to take his butt down there to Madison County and file this motion. I'm sure that is not going to turn out like he expects. That's one thing about him and Destiny. They so delulu about themselves that they don't care. They're willing to do anything. She just filed another motion too, trying to get out of paying LeBerick his money. And they're supposed to go to trial on October 1st. So they don't care. They just out here wasting time and wasting money. They playing from the same playbook, if you ask me. He drove on Uber XL all weekend to get that money up. Okay, not him Ubering PBE. He did a little lift shift. All right, this is exactly why she needs security. Yes. That's the name on the custody case. The custody case is not final. Yes, you guys, for anybody that came in late or just came in, this is regarding the custody case of Martell and Mel. So we're just gonna do a quick recap again, y'all, and we're gonna get off of here. Yeah, so they were scheduled over the summer for trial, which was supposed to take place on October 16th. Well, as far as I know, they'll still be beginning trial on October 16th, 2024. Yesterday, Martell got him a new attorney who submitted this motion letting them know that he's going to be representing him in this case moving forward. And he requested that all the documents be sent to his office so he can catch up for that trial that has to come in 2.5 weeks. And then today, that same attorney on Martell's behalf went and filed this motion against Mel, and it is titled his counterclaim for the petition of Rue Nisai. So this is the case involving the kids. Also the case he was ordered to go get a psych vow in. And, in this complaint, he basically just alleges a few things. He says that Mel has a relationship going on with her security guard. She's making the kids miss school because they're traveling so much. He said that she is allowing the kids to go be with their grandmother without first giving him rules. Without first giving him the option to refuse that. He said that she's allowing Jason to spend the night and to teach the kids how to drive, which is jeopardizing their safety and welfare. So he has basically wrote all of that in this petition and accused Mel of kissing her security guard and having a romantic, relationship with him. So yeah, you guys catch the replay, pause the screen, go back and read it. And that's the tea, honey. We gonna stay updated on this, you guys. I'm gonna keep an eye out because I know Mel coming. I know money making Mel is coming, honey. And I want to see that lawyer tear his ass up. Hello, T from TV. Hello, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. I want to see Mel's attorney get in this Negro's behind. T Talk with your girl. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat. She said, thanks and keep up the good work. Thank you so much. That means so much to me, you guys. I really do appreciate all the super chats you guys sent me. For those of you that cannot donate to the channel, a simple like and subscribe is sufficient. I appreciate all types of support. I do try to bring you guys these court documents, which they do cost. But again, if you would like to donate, you can do that through the super chats. I'm going to get a cash app for the people that are asking. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining this live. That's pretty much all I have for this. Y'all let me know if you're on a replay, what y'all think about this down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.